Hello, this is Andy again from AI World. Today we explore the impact of AI on healthcare, artificial intelligence. It's rapidly changing the world around us. From self-driving cars to personalized shopping recommendations, AI is everywhere. And now it's making its presence felt in a field crucial to us all, healthcare. AI is already being used to diagnose diseases, plan treatments, and even monitor patients remotely. But as with any powerful technology, AI in healthcare comes with its own set of promises and perils. Will it usher in a new era of medical marvels, making healthcare more accurate, efficient, and accessible? Or will it create unforeseen risks, challenging our ethics and privacy? In this video, we'll delve into the exciting and sometimes unsettling world of AI in healthcare. The integration of AI into medicine is like a double-edged scalpel. It holds the potential to revolutionize healthcare, offering hope for better diagnoses, personalized treatments, and even cures for diseases that baffle us today. Imagine a world where cancer is detected early with unprecedented accuracy, where complex surgeries are performed with robotic precision guided by AI. But this potential comes with a hefty price tag of responsibility. We must tread carefully, ensuring that AI is used ethically and responsibly, prioritizing patient well-being and data security above all else. Let's start with diagnostics, the cornerstone of healthcare. Traditionally, diagnosis relies heavily on a doctor's experience and expertise. Now, imagine having an AI assistant that can analyze vast amounts of data, detect subtle patterns invisible to the human eye, and provide insights that could lead to faster and more accurate diagnoses. This is precisely what AI is beginning to offer in fields like radiology, pathology, and dermatology. AI algorithms, trained on millions of images and medical records, can now identify tumors, fractures, and other abnormalities with remarkable accuracy. Instead, AI can serve as a powerful tool, augmenting their abilities and allowing them to focus on what they do best, caring for their patients. Consider the field of radiology, where doctors spend countless hours analyzing images like X-rays, kinetic scans, and MRIs. AI is proving particularly useful here. Studies have shown that AI algorithms can detect lung cancer nodules in X-rays with accuracy comparable to, and in some cases even exceeding, that of experienced radiologists. This is crucial because early detection of cancer significantly increases the chances of successful treatment. AI can also help identify and diagnose a wide range of other conditions, from bone fractures to heart abnormalities. Imagine a scenario where an AI system flags a potential stroke in a patient's brain scan even before a radiologist has had a chance to review it. And AI's diagnostic capabilities extend far beyond radiology. In dermatology, AI algorithms are being trained to identify skin cancers like melanoma from photographs with impressive accuracy. This could be a game changer, particularly in areas with limited access to dermatologists. In cardiology, AI is being used to analyze electrocardiograms, or ECGs, to detect irregular heart rhythms, often with greater sensitivity than traditional methods. These are just a few examples of how AI is transforming diagnostics across various medical specialties. Diagnosing a disease is only half the battle. The next crucial step is determining the best course of treatment. Each patient is unique with their own medical history, genetic makeup, lifestyle, and preferences. Traditionally, doctors have relied on their knowledge, experience, and clinical guidelines to create treatment plans. But with the explosion of medical data, keeping up with the latest research and tailoring treatments to each patient's unique profile is becoming increasingly challenging. By analyzing vast data sets of patient information, clinical trials, and medical literature, AI algorithms can help doctors develop personalized treatment plans. This targeted approach is revolutionizing cancer treatment. One area where AI-powered treatment planning is showing immense promise is in cancer care. Cancer is a complex disease with numerous subtypes and mutations, each requiring a tailored approach. AI algorithms can analyze a patient's tumor DNA, identify specific genetic mutations, and predict which drugs or therapies are most likely to be effective. This targeted approach, known as precision medicine, is revolutionizing cancer treatment. By pinpointing the most vulnerable points in cancer cells, AI can help oncologists select the most effective treatments while minimizing damage to healthy tissues. And AI's role in treatment planning extends far beyond cancer. In cardiology, AI is being used to guide the placement of stents in patients with blocked arteries, ensuring optimal blood flow and reducing the risk of complications. In neurology, AI is assisting surgeons in planning deep brain stimulation procedures for patients with Parkinson's disease. These are just a few examples of how AI is helping doctors navigate the complexities of treatment planning across various medical specialties. By providing evidence-based recommendations and personalized insights, AI is empowering doctors to make more informed decisions. Even in the often overlooked realm of mental health, AI is emerging as a valuable tool for treatment planning. Mental health conditions like depression and anxiety are often complex and difficult to diagnose. AI-powered platforms are being developed to analyze patient data, including text messages, social media activity, and even voice patterns, to detect early signs of mental health issues. This early detection can be crucial in getting individuals the help they need before their condition worsens. Additionally, AI can assist therapists in tailoring therapy sessions to each patient's specific needs. Imagine a world where patients are constantly monitored for subtle changes in their condition, even outside the four walls of a hospital. This is the promise of AI-powered patient monitoring, a rapidly evolving field that is poised to revolutionize healthcare as we know it. Traditionally, patient monitoring has been limited to hospital settings, relying on periodic checkups and reactive responses to emergencies. But with the advent of wearable sensors, remote monitoring devices, and sophisticated AI algorithms, we can now track vital signs, activity levels, sleep patterns, and even medication adherence in real time. This provides a continuous stream of data that offers unprecedented insights into a patient's health status. One of the most exciting applications of AI in patient monitoring is in the field of remote patient monitoring, or RPM. RPM allows patients with chronic conditions like heart failure, diabetes, and COPD to manage their health from the comfort of their own homes. AI-powered RPM systems can track vital signs like blood pressure, heart rate, and blood sugar levels, alerting doctors to any concerning trends or deviations from the norm. This proactive approach to healthcare can be life-changing for patients, allowing them to stay connected with their care team. For example, an AI-powered RPM system could detect early signs of heart failure exacerbation. But AI's role in patient monitoring goes beyond simply tracking vital signs. By analyzing vast datasets of patient information, including medical history, lab results, medication adherence, and even lifestyle factors, AI algorithms can identify subtle patterns and predict potential health events before they occur. This predictive capability is particularly valuable in managing chronic conditions, where early intervention can make all the difference. For example, in diabetes management, AI algorithms can analyze continuous glucose monitoring data to predict hypoglycemic events. AI is also being used to monitor patients in hospital settings, particularly in intensive care units, or ICUs. AI-powered systems can analyze data from various sources to identify subtle signs of deterioration. This continuous, data-driven approach to patient monitoring allows medical teams to anticipate potential problems before they escalate. One of the most significant benefits of AI in healthcare is its potential to dramatically improve efficiency. The healthcare industry is notorious for its administrative burden, with doctors and nurses spending countless hours on paperwork. AI can automate many of these mundane and time-consuming tasks, freeing up healthcare professionals to focus on what they do best, interacting with patients. Imagine a world where appointment scheduling, medication refills, and insurance pre-authorizations are handled seamlessly by AI-powered systems. This increased efficiency can not only improve the work-life balance of healthcare professionals, but also enhance the patient experience. Beyond efficiency, AI offers the potential to significantly enhance the accuracy of diagnoses and treatment plans. Human error is an unfortunate reality in any field, and medicine is no exception. AI algorithms, on the other hand, are immune to these human limitations. They can analyze vast amounts of data, identify subtle patterns that might escape human notice, and provide objective insights. For example, in radiology, AI algorithms have been shown to outperform human radiologists in detecting lung nodules on chest X-rays. By providing a second set of eyes that are always alert and unbiased, AI can help doctors make more informed decisions. Perhaps the most exciting benefit of AI in healthcare lies in its potential to accelerate medical discovery and usher in a new era of personalized medicine. The human body is a complex and intricate machine, and despite decades of research, there is still much that we don't understand about how diseases develop, progress, and respond to treatment. AI, with its ability to analyze massive data sets of genomic information, clinical trial data, and patient outcomes, has the power to unlock these secrets. Imagine a future where AI algorithms can predict an individual's risk of developing certain diseases based on their genetic makeup. This is the promise of AI in medical research, a promise that has the potential to transform healthcare. Finally, AI has the potential to bridge the gap in healthcare accessibility and address disparities in care. In many parts of the world, access to quality healthcare is limited by factors such as geographic location and socioeconomic status. AI-powered telemedicine platforms, remote patient monitoring systems, and diagnostic tools can help overcome these barriers. For example, AI-powered dermatology apps can allow individuals in remote areas to get quick and accurate diagnoses of skin conditions using their smartphones. By democratizing access to healthcare, AI has the potential to create a more equitable and just healthcare system for all. The ethical quandary, navigating uncharted territory. The rapid advancement of AI in healthcare presents ethical challenges we must confront. As AI integrates into medical decision-making, questions arise about responsibility and bias. Who is accountable if an AI system makes a mistake? How can we ensure AI algorithms are free from biases? These are pressing concerns requiring proactive solutions. Section 2. The Data Dilemma. Protecting patient privacy in the age of AI. AI thrives on data. The more data an AI algorithm has access to, the more accurate and effective it becomes. But this reliance on data raises significant concerns about patient privacy and data security. Healthcare data is highly sensitive and personal, and breaches can have devastating consequences for individuals. Robust data governance frameworks, strong encryption protocols, and clear guidelines for data access and use are essential. Patients need to be informed about how their data is being used and empowered to control their own health information. Perhaps the most common fear surrounding AI in healthcare is the fear of job displacement. Will AI replace doctors, nurses, and other healthcare professionals? The answer, like most things in life, is nuanced. AI is unlikely to replace healthcare professionals entirely. The human touch, empathy, and intuition are irreplaceable aspects of healthcare. However, AI will undoubtedly transform the roles of healthcare professionals, automating tasks, providing insights, and augmenting their capabilities. Rather than viewing AI as a threat, healthcare professionals should embrace it as a powerful tool that can enhance their ability to provide better care. Just as the stethoscope and the X-ray machine revolutionized medicine in the past, AI has the potential to revolutionize medicine in the 21st century. By embracing AI, healthcare professionals can focus on what they do best: building relationships with patients, providing compassionate care, and making complex medical decisions informed by both data and human intuition. The integration of AI into healthcare is not a question of if, but when and how. The potential benefits are too great to ignore, but so are the risks. Navigating this complex landscape requires a collaborative effort from all stakeholders, including healthcare professionals, AI developers, policymakers, ethicists, and most importantly, patients themselves. We need to engage in open and honest conversations about the ethical, social, and economic implications of AI in healthcare. We need to establish clear guidelines and regulations that promote innovation while safeguarding patient safety, privacy, and autonomy. We need to invest in education and training to prepare the next generation of healthcare professionals for an AI-driven future. And we need to ensure that the benefits of AI in healthcare are accessible to all, regardless of background or socioeconomic status. As we've seen, the integration of AI into healthcare is well underway. The potential benefits are immense, offering hope for earlier diagnoses and personalized treatments. Imagine a world where cancer is detected at its earliest stages, where chronic diseases are managed proactively. This is the promise of AI in healthcare. But this promise comes with responsibility. We must proceed with caution, weighing benefits against risks. The future of AI in healthcare is not predetermined. It's a future we shape through our choices and conversations. As patients, we play a crucial role. Stay informed and advocate for patient safety and privacy. Demand transparency and control over your health information. Embrace AI to make informed health decisions. Join the conversation and share your thoughts. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of AI in healthcare. Don't forget to subscribe to AI World for similar updates on AI and technology.